If you're looking for a way to get in your vegetables, then you might want to try Soop Pak. It's a marinated salad from Laos, and it's the kind of thing that gets better with time, so you can use it for meal prep really easily. In this video, I'll show you how to make it. Now, the cool thing about this recipe is that you can tailor it to your own taste. Start out by roasting your aromatics. I've got on a foil-lined sheet pan 1 onion sliced up, 1 head of garlic, I just slice off the top third, and 2 Thai chili peppers. Spray everything with a little bit of oil, I used avocado oil, and put it in the oven until it starts to get really fragrant. The onions should take anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes to get charred up, and you may want to pull out the peppers as they get blackened. The garlic will soften up and get roasted on top, so don't worry about that so much. You're going to blend it all up together. While that's cooking, you want to start chopping up your vegetables. Now, believe it or not, I use a whole head of Napa cabbage. Look for one about the size of a football and then cut it in half lengthwise and then into quarters. From there, you want to cut up each quarter into big chunks like this. It may look like a lot, but don't worry, it'll cook way down. Get a big pot of water boiling and then go ahead and blanch the Napa cabbage. This should take about 1 minute to 2 minutes. Not only do you have to drain it, you also want to squeeze it dry after running some cold water over it. Get all the liquid out. After this, I like to prep a darker green. You can use watercress, but here I'm using Chinese broccoli. Use about 1 pound or, just eyeball it. You want a good amount to match the Napa cabbage. Give it a rough chop, kind of like this. Just like with the Napa cabbage, you want to blanch it for 1 minute or 2, drain it, and then squeeze it dry. Set your greens aside in a big mixing bowl and then top it off with other vegetables. That includes your charred onions, and then I like to add some cherry or grape tomatoes, and in this batch I added some blanched mushrooms. Top it off with about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Now for the dressing, you're going to want to blend up the roasted chili pepper and the roasted garlic. For some reason I forgot to take a picture of it. Just carefully remove the roasted garlic from the papery peel and take off the stem of the chili peppers. Put it in your blender cup and mix it with the juice of 1 lime and about 2 tablespoons of fermented fish sauce. If you don't have an Asian grocery store near you, it's available on Amazon, but it's going to definitely be cheaper in the store. It's made with anchovies, so it's very rich and salty. It's also what you would use to make Thai papaya salad, so if you like that, this is a good ingredient to have. Blend it all up and then pour it over your vegetables. You can add more seasonings like a little bit of salt, sugar, some more lime juice. It's totally up to you. You'll notice that there's no oil in the dressing, and that's because a lot of the liquid comes out of the vegetables. Like I said, this salad just gets better over time, and you can add whatever vegetables you want. I ended up adding a can of drained baby corn. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. Have you ever tried Soop Pak before? I'd love to hear from you.